As we come to the end of today's trading session, let's get the BTSD ideas from our charters. Kunal, coming first to you, what are your suggestions?
So I'll go with two differentiated stocks. One of them is Aarti Industries. The stock today breaking past about the 50-day moving average above the 700 plus levels. So would look out for targets of 750, stop loss at 690. And Peninsula Land is the other stock which is confirming a triple top breakout, and this could be a potentially big breakout for the stock over the near term. So would look out for targets in the range of 74, 75, stop loss at 63.
Right. And Naresh, what about your BTSD ideas?
So first would be a buy on L&D Finance, a new 52-week higher, a flat breakout, stop loss at 179, target price of 188. Second would be a buy on City Union Bank, which is trying to cross a 3 to 6 month high, stop loss at 163, target price of 170.
With that, I'm going to wind it up right here in the studios, but toss it across to Vinny to sum up all the day's action. Vinny?
So it's been an interesting day, especially when you talk about the metals pack, because that was shining bright. Banks continue to outperform the Nifty. When you look at it today, also 0.7% of gain there. Nifty metal, top sectorial gainer, and Nifty managing to just hold on to gains of 23,582. At one point of time, it went about 23,600, and we've seen a sharp recovery from the day's lowest point for the Nifty. So let's not forget that the Nifty's managed to see a sharp recovery. The benchmark indices there. Let's pull up what the mid and small cap is doing there. The mid cap is also trading, outperforming the benchmark indices, 1% of gains. So mid cap also saw a sharper up move. Small cap holding on to gains of 0.6% as of now in trade. Let's pull up some of these fertilizers, chemical names. So let's pull up something like a PI Industries, Fact, National Fertilizers. All of them trading with very, very strong gains. We have GNFC, Aarti Industries. So that pack, RFC, you can see all of them are doing very well in trade, and most of the data points that are coming in for these agri as well as fertilizers, chemical stocks is on the positive side, keeping them on an uptrend. And do not forget that they had been bound in the last 1 year. So now finally the uptrend seems like it's coming back for these names. Reliance Industries, that's one of the stock performers coming in today, and Reliance Industries up more than 1% in trade. We also had ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, which supported the Nifty 50 today in terms of the pull that came in from was these gains, and supporting Kotak Mahindra Bank up almost 1% in trade. Other than that, let's pull up some of these other names that were buzzing in trade today. In the mid and small cap side, when you look at it, the Nifty mid cap names, some of these names were the names like when you look at it was AB Capital, that was surely buzzing away in trade with more than 2% gains. We had even the realty pack, so Prestige Estate, that was holding on to gains. We had Deepak Nitrite, Bandhan Bank, NMDC, seeing good gains. And the smaller banks today like City Union Bank, RBL Bank, they too were making the list today. So yes, the banking side, last couple of trading sessions, we have seen that the banks have managed to see good performance there. NMDC also continues to be in focus. Some update that came in on the iron ore front, and NMDC saw gains of almost 4%. We had a brokerage note that kept a very positive target on NMDC, keeping an eye out on that. Let's not forget those insurance names like SBI Life, that was also a one in focus today. We had Macquarie that came out with a note on insurance as well as the banking side, a positive side for insurance and banking. NBFCs, they said, was a bit of a subduedness that they were expecting on the NBFC front, so not much of an excitement there. Advance decline ratio today clearly in the favor of advances versus decline, so keeping an eye out on that. Look at the losers today in trade, right? We have the Nifty Pharma, which is not doing well. So when you see on the charts as well, Cipla, Sun Pharma not doing well, not holding on to any gains at the end of the day as well. And Nifty Pharma will be closing with cuts of almost 0.4% in trade. Other than that, let's pull up some of these FMCG names of what we are seeing for something like an HUL, Britannia. Where will they be closing the day? HUL just 1% of gains that we are seeing for HUL. But yes, nothing exciting there on the FMCG front. But all in all, we'll be closing the day on the positive side, recovery from the day's lowest point, and banks continues to shine.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.